Welcome to my channel Best Deal Store. You can
Provides a larger cooking surface area compared to round tawas, allowing to cook larger ingredients like fillets of fish or long vegetables. Square shapes fit better on stove tops, ideal for those with limited kitchen space. The square shape with its corners allows for easier access when flipping or stirring food, especially useful for dishes that require frequent turning. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Cooker. Features a pressure indicator for maximum safety. Compatible with gas stoves cooktop for versatile use. An ideal gift for family and friends due to the perfect combination of practicality and art design. It is easy to use and removable inner pot. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Manual ice shaver. Make fresh gola and slush at home using your own filtered water and ice. You control every ingredient, so your children enjoy their favorite treat with zero health risks. Finally, say yes to gola without hesitation. Simply add ice cubes, turn the ergonomic handle, and watch perfectly fluffy shaved ice collect in the transparent bowl below. Manual operation means no cords, no charging, no waiting. Works anywhere in your home, kitchen counter, dining table, or even during picnics. Pro tip: keep frozen ice blocks ready in your freezer and serve fresh gola instantly when guests arrive or during family parties. Sharp stainless steel blade shaves ice to a soft, snow-like texture that absorbs syrups beautifully. Food grade, BPA-free plastic body is completely safe for your family and built to last. Non-slip rubber base keeps the machine steady while you operate, no slipping, no accidents. Make classic kala khatta gola, fresh fruit slush, mango sorbet, faluda base, iced coffee, frozen mocktails, and more. Perfect for kids' parties, family gatherings, or a quiet evening treat just for yourself. One machine, unlimited possibilities. Serve fresh gola or slush instantly for surprise guests, birthday parties, or family movie nights. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Cleaning brush. Eco-friendly wooden grip provides comfort. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Container. A food grade, lead-free, extremely safe and 100% recyclable. The cork lids and spoons are produced with natural materials that are light but very durable. Perfect wide mouth shape are easy to be cleaned. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Tea infuser. With its compact size and spill-proof lid, this infuser is perfect for brewing tea on the go. It's ideal for use at home, in the office, or while traveling, allowing you to enjoy your favorite beverages wherever you are. Using a tea infuser allows you to customize the strength and flavor of your tea. You can adjust the amount of tea leaves and steeping time to suit your preferences. This infuser is designed to cater to your preferences. It's suitable for brewing a variety of teas. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Electric chopper. Chop, mince, whisk, peel and make baby food quickly with single press operation, so you can spend less time in the kitchen and more time with your family. The garlic peeler attachment removes up to 80% of the skin in one go, saving time and keeping your hands odor-free. The egg whisker makes preparing fluffy omelets, lassi, whipped cream, and smooth batters effortless, cutting down on manual effort and ensuring perfect consistency every time. Premium quality 304 stainless steel 6D blades and durable ABS plastic, sharp, rust-free, and toxin-free blades ensure uniform chopping, while the sturdy ABS plastic body makes it lightweight yet long-lasting. Get the perfect texture for your ingredients with simple press and release control. Monitor and control chopping, press for a few seconds for coarse cuts, repeat for a medium texture, or continue for a fine. Mince or puree. No over-processing, just the right consistency for salads, curries, baby food, or meat dishes every time. The powerful 400W motor runs at 18,000 RPM for fast chopping, while the safety lock ensures it only operates when properly assembled, preventing accidental starts. The detachable parts, bowl, blades, and accessories are dishwasher safe, while the top motor unit can be wiped clean with a damp cloth. No more kitchen mess. Product link is given in the 7th link. 8. Brush. Scrubber is made of high-quality PP material, stainless steel and iron, while threaded joints tighten the rods with firm locking. The padded handle provides a soft, non-slip and comfortable grip, making it easy to hold even when wet. When cleaning is done, you can hang your bathroom scrubber on the wall using the utility hook, keeping clutter to a minimum. Featuring a tough bristle brush head for deep cleaning tiles, floors, walls, toilets, and tubs, a gentle sponge head for delicate surfaces, and a soft microfiber pad for mirrors, glass, and sinks, our brush has got you covered. And with its detachable heads that are quick and easy to switch out, cleaning has never been more convenient. Plus, replacement refills are available, making it even easier to keep your brush in top condition. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Coconut scraper is constructed using stainless steel, ensuring its longevity and resistance to wear and tear. The scraper is designed with user comfort in mind. The scraper comes with a rotatable handle with a comfortable grip, allowing for easy and efficient scraping of coconuts without straining your hands or wrists. The scraper is equipped with sharp and sturdy blades specifically designed for scraping coconuts. These blades effectively remove the coconut meat from the shell. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Pear corer. Sharp stainless steel teeth pierce skins easily and cut smoothly through fruit flesh, allowing the core to lift out in one clean motion. Hollow cylindrical barrel extracts cores neatly without crushing fruit, ideal for apples, pears, tomatoes and other stuffed recipe prep. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Filter coffee maker. Made from high-quality food-grade stainless steel, this filter coffee maker is rust-proof, durable, and easy to clean. It ensures long-lasting performance while maintaining the authentic flavor of freshly brewed coffee. Enjoy your morning brew with consistency and convenience every time. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Organizer. The basket folds easily when not in use, saving valuable space in tight areas like laundry rooms, bathrooms, and closets. Designed with multiple compartments to separate children's and adults' clothing, light and dark garments, or towels and toiletries. Smooth rolling 360 degrees wheels make movement effortless. Brake locks provide stability when needed, ensuring secure and safe use. Made from strong PP material, the structure is stable, high capacity, and resistant to deformation, ideal for heavy loads. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Cast iron tawa. Pre-seasoned interior and exterior with plant oil which allows direct contact of iron with food, thus leading to daily iron consumption. Food prepared in cast iron pre-seasoned dosa tawa will give the authentic traditional taste to your cooking. Indian cooking is always packed with flavors and cast iron helps to enhance those flavors. Tawa is suited for age-old home-style cooking and even for exotic foods. Prepare health meals for your family like the dosas, chillas, parathas, or something more indulgent like crepes and pancakes. Cast iron is very strong and sturdy. It will last you a lifetime. Indestructible cookware. It is most suitable for Indian old-style slow cooking, seals all the moisture for tender and aromatic food, gives a constant and smooth finish without any rough edges in our cast iron cookware, which is otherwise difficult to achieve. This is possible only because of our high-quality casts and precision engineering. Tawa is pre-seasoned with 100% vegetable oil. This allows the iron to be in direct contact with your food, giving you healthy dose of essential iron icons every day. After using, just wipe with a little oil to keep them rust-free. Product link is given in the 13th link.